In this video, we'll explore the best tool belts available, comparing their features, durability, and comfort to help you choose the perfect one for your work needs. Let's dive into the top options on the market today. Let's kick things off with the best adjustable tool bag. At $375.90, it may not be a budget pick, but there's no better way to upgrade your work gear than with the Occidental Leather 9855 Adjust-to-Fit Fat. Designed for right-hand use, this bag boasts fully adjustable belt sizing, comfortably accommodating pant waists from 32 to 41 inches, making it perfect for seasonal wardrobe changes. Loaded with 24 pockets and tool holders, it ensures every tool has its place, streamlining your workflow. The main compartment is 10 inches deep and reinforced with premium leather for durability, while pre-installed D-rings let you easily attach it to suspension system. Although its design targets the serious tradesperson and DIY enthusiast rather than the casual user, its thoughtful features and robust construction make it an excellent investment for those who demand quality and organization on the job. AWP Tool Rig earned our top recommendation for its robust design that competes with some of the best professional tool rigs, yet at a much lower price. It features patented trap jaw technology that allows its pockets to snap open wide for quick access and then snap closed to securely hold small tools and fastener. You benefit from multiple storage options, including 2 large capacity pouches, additional smaller pockets, and metal hammer holders, features that provide unparalleled organization on the job site. The adjustable belt fits waists up to 50 inches with a double roller buckle that makes adjustments tool-free and hassle-free. What really sets this rig apart is its premium oil-tanned leather construction, offering exceptional durability and a timeless brown finish that stands up to the rigors of daily use. At $136.33, it's a compelling choice for professionals and serious DIYers seeking a reliable, value-priced tool rig that delivers on performance. Not everyone needs an apron loaded with endless compartments, but when it comes to a no-nonsense tool pouch, the KLEIN Tools 42242. Carpenter's apron holds its own. Crafted from 100% leather, it delivers the durability you demand on tough job sites. Reinforced with rust-proof rivets, this apron is built to withstand daily wear and tear. Its double pouch design provides ample storage while ensuring unrestricted leg movement, something not every apron can offer. The heavy-duty 2¼ inch web belt, complete with an army-style buckle, snaps and slides into place to secure a comfortable fit for waists ranging from 36 to 52 inches. Additionally, 4 dedicated slots for punches or nail sets and 2 robust hammer loops add practical functionality. While its design is straightforward compared to more feature-heavy models, its rugged construction and reliable performance make it a solid choice for carpenters and construction professionals. Get it for $85.99 and experience simplicity done right. The MCGUIRE-NICHOLAS tanned leather contractor's apron is designed to provide maximum durability and comfort on the job site. Crafted from premium oil-tanned leather, this apron is built to last through tough conditions, making it a reliable choice for contractors and construction work. The apron features 2 metal hammer loops on each side for easy access to your hammers, while the leather belt comes with a double-prong roller buckle that ensures a secure fit for waist sizes up to 50 inches. During our testing, we found the apron provided excellent support for carrying tools without compromising comfort, even during long hours of use. The design is simple yet effective, and the leather construction offers superior strength. While the belt is a bit short for larger waists, it's a great value for anyone looking for a sturdy tool apron at around $60, making it a solid choice for both pros and DIY enthusiasts. The Jackson Palmer Professional Comfort Rig Tool Belt provides an ideal solution for those in need of a versatile, durable tool belt. Whether you're a carpenter, electrician, or DIY enthusiast, this belt offers a high level of comfort without sacrificing strength. Constructed from heavy-duty polyester, reinforced with double-stitched seams and metal rivets, it can handle the wear and tear of daily work. The belt is designed with 5 large pockets and 4 smaller ones, plus 2 hammer loops to keep all your tools secure and within reach. It also features an adjustable webbed belt with a quick-release buckle, making it easy to customize the fit for waist sizes up to 50 inches. While some users have expressed concerns about the stitching, most appreciate the belt's comfort and functionality. You can grab this tool belt for just $44.99, offering great value for professionals and DIYers alike.